I don't know whether I'm clear enough because of the shade from the trees. So guys, I'm back in the village, guys. I just wanted to come and see the process of my farm and everything. So as usual, this is my gate to enter the farm. This gate, and this is how everything looks like, guys. Let me show you. These are the maize. Now this is what happened. Remember in Kenya, like 1 month ago, there was a lot of rains, heavy rains with a lot of floods, and I thank God my farm was not that much affected, though the maize are still yielding. Is it yielding? I don't know. The maize are still growing, doing well. My farm is so green, and I'm so excited, guys. This is how everything looks like. This is how everything looks like in my farm. So I will just use this route. I'll take you on this way. Sorry, I will take you through this way, and I also will use that route and come all the way, showing you around and what has been happening. I have also other project which is going on around here, and I will have to show you. So stay here, don't go anywhere. And if you're watching this video for the first time, kindly subscribe. Take me to 10,000 subscribers. And guys, why are you watching my videos and you are not subscribing? It's free. Kindly subscribe and let's go. So remember last time, oh my god, remember last time when you remember last time when I was here, the previous season, the maize did so well, but this round they are not. Look at this green pepper here. The maize now has not done so well. It has been affected a lot. Look at my oranges. My oranges are doing okay. Look, they are doing good. My oranges are doing so fine. The reason why I'm holding camera this way is because of light. You see? Oh, sorry. This is how my oranges are doing, guys. And I'm planning to plant more. Another orange is here. Look, my god, look at that. Still doing well. They are not ready, but someone can hit. So this is my project, and I'm going to add like more oranges around here. So let's keep on walking around, guys, as I show you what has been. Look at this place. Look at how my farm has been affected. So this round the farm is not doing well. The maize are not doing well. A lot of water affected. I also have like what do we call these? Peas, guys. These are peas, and I think next time I will have that project of planting like peas. They are not ready until July. That's when they will be ready. Where are we going next? Oh, a lot of pepper here. We call it pili around. So what's happening with this? Let's keep on walking, guys, as I take you around. Look at how big my oranges are. Look. And guys, they are not only oranges, but they are pixies. And they are doing so well. I just wanted to test them, but I think I should add more, like around 500 more. all this farm I'll have to, all this farm, let me show you, all this farm, I'll have to put more forages. They are doing so well. Look at this. Doing so fine. Another one is here. These are pixies, and they are very, very expensive here in Kenya, Africa, actually. This is how they look like. Yes. I also need, they are not ready, and I think this one is affected too. I don't know what's happening. Look at this. Also this one is oh, these ones are almost ready. They are almost ready. I have another one which is almost ready, and another one here. So yes, someone might be asking, Claudia, when did you become a farmer? My parents are farmers. They do farming too, and they inspired me to do farming too. Look at this, pepe, red and green. They inspired me to do like farming too, and I love it. So if someone may ask me, like, between city life and a village life, which one I'm comfortable with, I would prefer village life. Village life needs someone with brains. I'm telling you. Look at my mane. Oh my god, my mane. But what I know is that oh, sorry, what I know is that I'm trying. I'm trying to look for my orage. A lot of green pepper around. Yeah. So next time, I don't know what's happening. Look at my mango. Mango season is over. Now we are in our season of oranges. We are, guys, look at this. We have black pepper around. What is this? These are like green black peppers. I don't know. They look black. I don't know why. So another thing, I don't know whether my camera is okay this way. Another thing, I need to do away with the pawpaw trees. I plant like new ones. Look at how my mains were affected. Affected a lot. I have to do away with these pawpaw trees. I plant new ones. I don't know where I can get like best seedlings. Also, my mangoes are still growing. We have, this is Napier grass. So let me tell you, we use Napier grass to feed cows. So this one will not going to stay there for long. I will just get someone to cut and take to my mom's home to feed cows. So I think today, that one I'm gonna do today. I arrived today in the morning, and I have to get this done by the end of today. Guys, I'm so tired. I had to visit my farm first. That's once I go to the village, that's the first thing I normally do. Going to the village, visiting my farm and all that. The Napier glass. Nice. So let's keep on walking. And the other side, remember I told you that is round. Guys, I want to do away with these purple trees. They are long. Also, let me show you something, guys. I don't like look at this. From nowhere, these are mango tree. From nowhere, when I hit my mango and they throw the seed, that's what happens. Also, I don't know whether you can see that purple, those purples, the green purples, they are hanging. These are the type of purple which grows like hanging, and I don't like them. And I don't know whether it's me who don't like them. Honestly, I don't like them. So can you advise me, if you're a farmer, can you advise me which is the best type of purple to plant? Just advise me. Next time I will have to plant more peas. You can see how they are doing well. These are the peas, guys. Okay, let's go on the upper side. We have beans on this side. So on this side we have beans. Remember last time I showed you about the beans, and they are ready. Let me show you. Oh, I'm holding my oranges. I don't know how I'm gonna show you. Okay, they are here. These are the beans, These are the beans. Let me hold my camera like this. Stand, I'll show you. I think that's good. That's cool. I don't know whether it will be firm enough. So these are the beans, and today we normally do like, I know in your country, from wherever you're watching me from, you plant this type of beans. We call them nyayo. So today I'm gonna cook these, guys. Look. Yeah. And also tell me where you're watching this video from, guys. Once I go to my farm, I normally eat my fruits, everything fresh from my farm. My peas, is it pigeon peas? No, peas. I don't know what we call baazi. Yeah, we call them baazi peas. So let me know, guys. Let me know. I don't know whether you can see me well. Yeah. So let me go like, let me move like this so that you can see me well. Let me test my I'm obsessed with mangoes. Let me test my oranges first. My first orange. This one is not that ready, but I just want to see if they have taste. Yes. Remember, I'm a village girl, born and raised in the village, so it's okay, not that sour. The juice is okay, but they are not that ready, not that fully ready. Another one is here. I'm gonna hit all of them. Guys, I'm feeling so tired today. I also want to thank God for everything. Actually, I've been planning to come to the village like even last week, but today I got the chance to come. So most of the time, guys, let me tell you, most of the time once I come to the village, fruits like avocados, pawpaw, passion fruits, I'll show you, I have passion fruits too. I normally get them from here. I don't buy. So kindly subscribe if you're watching for the first time. For the returning subscribers, so yeah, thank you so much. So let me know, do you do farming in your country? Do you do farming in your village, so that we can compare? How do you normally do your farming? Is it the same way we do it here in Kenya, Africa? Let me know, comment down below. Let's go. Let's go, guys, let's go. The sun is still hot. Yeah, and my pumpkins are still okay. Look at, they're still growing, and there are some which are ready. These are more peas, pigeon peas, I don't know, bazi, I don't know, but anyway, we call them bazi here in Kenya, Africa. So I won't go to this far end. The farm is too big. I can't finish it in but I will go on this side tomorrow. First, I just wanted to come and see around. Remember last time I showed you where we were doing farming, on that far end where you can see those mango trees, the big ones. So I'll go there tomorrow. I'll not be able to go there today. Also, let me show you something. I was telling you about this hanging pawpaw. This one, I don't like them. So if you're a farmer, you do farming, kindly let me know the best type or the best seedlings for pawpaw. And also we have green vegetables over here. These are our green vegetables, fresh from the farm all the way up to that side. So once I'm in the village, I don't have to go to the market. That's one thing I love about being a farmer. I don't go to the market to buy vegetables. I normally get them fresh from my farm. So if you have a farm and you don't know, okay, if you have a farm and you need to do something about the farm, just think about it. Think about farming. Make use of your farm wisely. Farming is one of the best things you can do. Do that in one more of my lives, all my videos. I'm not a full-time YouTuber, so sometimes when you don't see me posting like videos, just know that I'm busy doing this. I'm busy planning. I'm busy organizing. So this is another farm. Okay. Let me show you guys. This is how we normally separate our farms, in village, because of the rain, so that the soil cannot to prevent, like, is it a soil erosion, something of that sort. We separate them. We're using, is it terraces? I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm from Kenya, Africa. These are the terraces, and I have to jump from where I'm standing where I'm standing right here, this is like drainage, and I have to jump up to that side. I don't know whether you are so I have to be careful not to break my legs. Fall it down. Oh my God. So guys, if you have been following me, in the last video I was trying to get my vegetables from here. Look at these. These are pumpkin leaves. Not like leaves, these are pumpkins. Pumpkins. Look. These are pumpkins, guys. Pumpkins. Another one is here, hiding from here. From breakfast, guys, for breakfast, I'm telling you, this is one of the best breakfast you can ever have. Let me show you another one. They are so many. This one, let me show you, like this one, guys. Look. Being a farmer, this is what we enjoy. Also, as I said, I have another project which is ongoing, almost done, but I'm gonna show you later. This is another pumpkin, another growing pumpkin, another pumpkin over here. Let's walk. Let's find them. Two over here, another one here, another one here, two here. We have two here. We have a different type. Oh my God, a different type here. Let's go. Another one is here, siding somewhere here. So I can't show you all of them, but they go all the way. Let me show you. And some are ready. Some are ready. They are hiding. Another one is here, guys. Let me tell you, I'm proud farmer. So when I'll be going back to the city, I'll have to carry some. I don't have to. There is no need of buying, and yet I can get them here in my village a lot. You can see all the way from that side up to there. And I have another. Sorry, I'm just tired because I need to watch. I have another. This is an avocado tree. I have another. What do we call it? Yes, another farm. You remember the farm I was showing you around on upper side? On the upper side, guys, sorry, I was concentrating on something. So the farm I showed you where there is beans and all that. We also have another pumpkin over there. So let me show you the avocados. Sorry guys, this is another drainage here. They prevent the soil from being carried away by the water. These are the, what do you call them? These are avocados. I was looking at something, guys, and I'm so excited, man. Let's pray and hope that my camera won't overheat my mangoes until December. Oh, this one died, guys. This died. What's happening? Because of termites. Look. So guys, I'm sorry for what happened. I was trying to show you, apart from pumpkins, we also have like cassava for breakfast, actually. We have cassava here. Cassava. Mogo. We have a lot of cassava around. So, if you want chili, it's here. We call them pepper. It's all here. So guys, let's walk around my farm and see what's happening. I need to get a bigger and a bigger farm. Napier glass around green for goats, for cows. Oh, look at this big pumpkin over here. Up, guys, apart from what do you call the pumpkins, apart from cassava, we also have, I'm telling you, I have everything in this farm. We have also sweet potatoes here. These are sweet potatoes around. So sweet potatoes all over. The chili is here. These are all sweet potatoes, guys. You know how they normally do? They spread all over. They spread all over up to that far end. Avocado trees are doing well, guys. Pumpkin. These are pumpkin, and we normally use like pumpkin leaves for. We use them as vegetables. Sorry. Let's keep on going around. More oranges, guys, and they are all doing well. They are all doing okay. Yeah. So let me show you something. You remember where we normally these are the dam. I normally used to get water from. It looks like bushy around because of the rain, and guys, I had also to fence it because maybe a cow or a goat, a dog might pass around and get inside there. Oh, what are these? What are these? What do I have to do about these? Look at these. Oh, it's my first time encountering this. My first time, guys, encountering these. Guys, can you advise me what I'm supposed to do about it? Advise me what I'm supposed to do. So it's still here, and the rains have stopped, so the water is dropping. Last time it was here. Nowadays, apart from that, it has gone down. Look at how green the environment is. Yes, here. So guys, I'm not bragging, but I know this video will inspire someone. I am not bragging, let me say so, but I know this video will inspire someone outside there. Maybe you have a farm or a place, let's say so, which is idle. You don't know what you can do about your farm, your land, and all that. Guys, get inspired through this video, through Claudia Works. Okay, my pipe is still here. We normally use this pipe to pump our water. Yeah, the project I was telling you is around that place, and I will take you maybe later. Oh, maybe later. More peas, more peas, more oranges. I don't know what's happening with my avocados. This one is dry too, but down still okay. Guys, can you advise me what I'm going to do about that? Because it's all about trying, man. Apart from oranges, apart from mangoes, apart from all those fruits and vegetables you have seen in my farm, we also have these lemons. Where there is oranges, you can't miss lemons. See here, the tree is a bit thorny. More peas. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think about my farm, and don't comment about negative thing about my corns, my maize. Reason I said that we had heavy rains and my maize got affected, and next round or next season I won't plant maize. I'll think of something else to plant apart from maize. So advise me, what should I plant next? What should I plant next? Oh, we have kolalu around, another vegetable. I'm telling you. We have everything here. We have everything here in Kenya, in Africa, in Claudia's work farm. Visit. More avocados. Okay, this line, actually I forgot to tell you guys, this line from the far end going this way, there is a mixture of avocados and small mangoes, and on this line we have oranges and lemons. These are lemons. I don't know what the name of this fruit. Kindly let me know. We have lemons. We have more lemons around. And the other line, it has got peas. Wow. Avocados are still doing okay. This is another avocado. This is almost ready. This one. Oh my god, I don't know what's happening. What's happening with my avocados? My god. And not that I have to replace. I have to replace them. We have another. Oh my god, look at this. Look at these guys. I think I should give you like guidelines step by step on how to plant these. Look at the big yield. Look at this. And also we have more lemons around, and some are ready, some are overripe. Let me show you. These ones, you can see they have overripe. It will depend from where you come from, guys. I'm sorry. Overripe. Yeah, from your English teacher. Yeah, just keep on walking, guys. We have another. Hey my god, what's happening with my avocado trees? Look at this. It died too. It died. Guys, can you give me a solution to this? Give me a solution to this, a better solution. I'm feeling bad. I'm feeling bad about this. Around 5 trees now. Avocado trees. So guys, I'll be taking you around. I'll be like here for like 3 or 4 days. I'll be taking you around here, showing you everything about my farm, everything I'm gonna do in the morning, in the in the afternoon and the evening. I'll be doing everything so that guys, you can get inspired. We have also kolalu. We call it mchicha round. You can see this one is already, I don't know, these are the seed, these are the seedling. Is it not seedling? The seed, sorry, I confuse seed with seedling, these ones. So once I do that like this, once they get dry and I do like this, next time we will have a small kalalus germinating. So guys, let me know. I'm sweating. So guys, let me end this video at this moment. Hope you have enjoyed it. Comment down below if you maybe you want to correct me on something, you want to advise me on something. And please, negative people, yeah. So let me end this video at this time, at this moment. Make sure you subscribe to Claudia Works. Support Claudia Works to the next level. Actually, we are going to the next level. See you in the next video. Bye bye.